Let's do some examples. Let's show number 23 on fingers. Take two fingers, that is, index and middle finger of your left hand to show 2, and three fingers, that is, index, middle and ring finger of your right hand to show 3. This is number 23. Let's show number 39 on fingers. Take index finger, middle and ring finger of your left hand to show 3, and thumb and all the four fingers, that is, index, middle, ring and little finger of your right hand to show 9. This is number 39. Let's show number 55 on fingers. Take thumb of your both hands, that is, right hand as well as left hand to show number 55. This is number 55. Let's show number 68 on fingers. Take thumb and index finger of your left hand to show 6, and thumb and three fingers, that is, index, middle and ring finger on your right hand to show 8. This is number 68. Let's show number 84 on fingers. Take thumb and three fingers, that is, index, middle and ring finger on your left hand to show 8, and all the four fingers, that is, index, middle, ring and little finger on your right hand to show 4. This is number 84.